Namaste everyone. If you want to glow your face without any expensive skincare or filters, it's all start with simple yoga. Today's session, it's all about boosting blood flow towards our face using basic mat yoga exercise because when the blood flows, the skin glows. Most of us go to the gym or practice yoga, but often ignore one key area, the neck. Neck stretching helps increase circulation to the face, bringing more oxygen and nutrient to the skin. That's one of the secret of natural glowing skin. Thank you everyone for joining me again. Today's video is all about face glow. And in a 5 minute, we will increase the blood flow towards our face. We'll start a practice with some mindfulness. So join your both hands together and take deep, gentle inhale throughout your nostrils and breathe out from your mouth. Being present with our breaths are very important. We'll prepare our mind and body for today's practice. Once you're ready, prepare your neck muscle for the exercise. How to be present? Just simply be aware of your neck muscle. Extend your left arm, tilt your head towards right with support of your right hand. Now try to breathe in and out towards your left side. Just keep your eyes closed and breathe in and out. Now we'll repeat on other side. Keep breathing in and out towards your right side. Slowly release your hands. Place your both hands on your knees facing down and contract. Bring your chin towards your chest and stay here. Now we'll slowly lift up and we'll look up. Feel the stretch on the front side of your neck. If you want, you can repeat this exercise. For next exercise, we'll interlock our fingers and we'll place our both hands under our chin. We'll breathe in, we'll look up and breathe out, look down. Up, stretch your arms as well. Breathe out, down. Make sure we are not holding our breath. As we inhale, we look up, and when we contract, we breathe out throughout our nostril. Now for the next exercise, again interlock your fingers, place your both hands on your forehead and push against each other. Now you will feel the gentle vibration. Keep breathing in and out and stay here. Do you know, even in ancient time, yogi didn't use any fancy product, but they knew this technique. Now for the next exercise, sit comfortably in Sukhasana. Take your hands back and place your palms on the mat, slightly away from your hip line. Now try to look up and stretch your neck. You will feel the opening in your chest as well. Now keep breathing in and out here. Come back to center and you can repeat this asana for as long as you want. Now we'll try the other one. Lie down on your mat with your back relaxed. You can keep your both legs crossed or both knees bent. Now hold into bridge. To give support to your back, you can keep your both hands on your lower back. Now, crown of your head should be on the mat. You can keep your hands as it is, or for the advanced, try to extend your arms and stay there for 10 to 15 seconds. Now, you can cross your legs if you like, and again, keep your both hands under your glute muscles and lift your head up. Keep crown of the head on the mat and stay there for 10 to 20 seconds and start breathing in and out. Through consistent practice of yoga and mindfulness, including face and body stretches, you can maintain your glowing radiant skin. Inner balance, blood flow, and simple movement can make the big difference. Now we'll give a good stretch to our spine. Interlock your fingers, extend your arms and feel that stretch in your back. Breathe in and breathe out. Extend your arms sideways and slowly join your both hands together into Namaskara, front of your chest. Now inhale, center and exhale. Look towards right. Inhale, center, look towards left, breathe out. Inhale, center, right. And keep repeating for few repetitions. I will guide you through face yoga step by step, but today we are just laying the foundation of some essential asanas. Stick with me. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.